Hey there, tool lovers. Today I'm diving into how to use a reciprocating saw like a pro. This tool is a powerhouse for demolition and cutting through various materials. Here's how to get the most out of it. First things first, safety gear is a must. Always wear safety goggles, gloves, and ear protection. Trust me, you don't want debris flying into your eyes. Start by choosing the right blade for your job. There are blades for wood, metal, and even combo blades for mixed materials. Make sure it's securely attached before you power up. Now, holding your saw firmly with both hands, position the blade at the start of your cut. For the cleanest cut, keep the shoe of the saw flat against the material. This helps reduce vibration and gives you better control. When you're ready, squeeze the trigger gently to start. Don't rush it, let the saw do the work. If you push too hard, you'll wear out your blade faster and could end up with a jagged cut. For plunge cuts, it's a bit trickier. Angle the blade so just the tip touches the material. Slowly increase the speed as you gently push down. Once the blade breaks through, you can straighten it out and continue cutting. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take your time to get a feel for the tool. You'll be slicing through materials like a pro in no time. And that's it. Remember these tips next time you pick up your reciprocating saw, and you'll be handling